Okie dokie, so we've got Nicholas on board.
Lima Victor, receive Golf fuel, FTA apron for a substation departure, request taxi.
Lima Victor, ground taxi run up over Foxtrot.
Taxi Foxtrot, Echo Lima Victor.
So we got Nicholas on board, and we're just going to go for a quick burn up to Blanchtown and back today. We got ADIS's Golf, so that's all good. 1024 millibars on the QNH. Parafield ground, request further taxi for Parafield Alpha.
Parafield Alpha, taxi holding point Foxtrot, runway 21 left.
Holding point Foxtrot, Parafield Alpha. Good afternoon, Parafield Tower, this is Tomahawk PAA Alpha Alpha is ready, Foxtrot for a sub departure.
Alpha Alpha, Parafield Tower, runway 21 left, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, PAA Alpha Alpha. Okay, all good? All good.
Parafield Tower, Echo Lima Victor, ready on
pressure's rolling the green.
Substation departure.
Echo Lima Victor, Parafield Tower, runway 21 left, line up.
Airspeed alive,
21 left, Echo Lima Victor.
50 knots, 55,
Medi 58, pad west, clear to land.
60 knots,
Pad west, medium 58.
70 knots.
Echo Lima Victor, follow the Tomahawk upwind. They're also for a substation departure. Runway 21 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway 21 left, clear for takeoff, Echo Lima Victor.
500 feet. Fuel pump is off. Fuel pressure is maintained. Making the turn. Got 110 knots. Yeah. Once we clear, we'll climb to 2,500 of Class D airspace. So when we clear this line, this dashed line, we'll climb to 2.5, okay? And we're going there, substation. We're going to follow those little dots, okay? Off to the South Para Reservoir.
Alpha Alpha, you still on frequency?
Roger that. Para Alpha.
Alpha Alpha, change your destination today.
Just going to Blanchtown and return.
Hi Alpha Alpha, you do have traffic overtaking you down your left hand side. Currently you're 8 o'clock at 1,500.
Roger that, we'll be climbing at for 2.5 for the South Para Reservoir.
Alpha Alpha.
Right?
Echo Lima Victor, do you still have the traffic inside?
Having inside, Echo Lima Victor.
Victor.
Alright, so we got...
Tobago, Yankee Tango Foxtrot, out of harbour 1,500 with a call for inbound. Yankee Tango Foxtrot, Parafield Tower, join base 2 and right, maintain 1,500.
Alright, so we got someone at around 8 o'clock.
1,500
Well, there, and he'll be overtaking us, so he's got us inside.
Victor, Diamond Star, Dam wall 1,500 inbound with information call.
Yankee Victor, Parafield Tower, join final runway 21 left, clear visual approach.
Join final runway 21 left, cleared visual approach, Yankee November Victor.
We'll just monitor that station.
Clear to go, Yankee Bravo uniform.
Keep the landing light on so people can see. There's a busy little corridor, the aeroplane to that white building, right, and not worry about any of this. So you'll find it, you know, we're going to get there. And then we'll climb to 3,500 odds and evens, plus 500, when you're heading from 0 to 180 degrees, alright?
Yankee November Victor, runway 21 left, clear to land.
Runway 21 left, clear to land, Yankee November Victor.
It's a bit cooler up here, so I'll turn the air down, I think. Thank you for flying. We have refreshments on board. They're very nice. Alright, and now we're about to go to the 3,500.
Okay, go Bravo, hold short, runway 21 right.
Look, there's that plane down there. See him, he's overtaken us. Alrighty, now we're going to climb. Mile limit's 4,500 here. Yep, okay. So we just want to get a little bit of altitude. You know, he's okay at 1500, good for him.
Yeah,
but if my engine failed, then I've got more time in the air than he does to make his decisions. All good?
All good.
All right. What else have you got to say for yourself? Hey? What are you going to tell all our 90 subscribers on YouTube? Hey?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. We're trying to compete with PewDiePie, you know. I think we're 100 million subscribers to go. It's all good. So we're on like a little bit of a cruise climb here. And once we get over South Para, which we're just about over it now, see yours there. Alright. Once we get over that, then we'll head off on our heading for Blanchtown.
231.
3.5, there it is. So we reach peak EGT at that point. We're just going to advance the mixture so it reaches 50 degrees rich of peak EGT. Alright. So that leans a 1:16 ratio of air to fuel, because when you go up higher, you find that the air becomes thinner, so therefore you get more fuel in the carburetor and it runs richer.
Choppy 231, contact tower 120.5.
So we're approaching the township of Blanchtown, and we're just descending to 1,500 feet. A little bit of a look at that. It's all good. 1,500 feet. Here we are. I'll just add a little bit of power and maintain that altitude. And of course we've advanced our mixture. No, we did that before, so nice day, isn't it?
Very clear. Yeah.
Not a lot of people on the river today. Suppose they're all packed up and going home in the last day of the long weekend. I can't believe we got Anzac Day on Thursday. Means they may as well just have given us the whole week off. Don't you reckon? And that down there is the Blanchtown Bridge. Look at all those lovely houseboats.
Runway on right, Yankee Tango Charlie.
Alpha Foxtrot, Golf, cleared visual approach, runway 21 right. You're number 2 to a Tobago, 2 miles ahead. You're about 40 knots faster at the moment. Do you have them in sight?
Visual approach, Alpha Foxtrot visual, I'll pull my speed back up, watch it off.
And we'll just beyond the power lines. 1,500 feet. Inbound with Golf. There it is, right on the nose, see? Parafield Tower, Tomahawk VH-PAA Alpha is down wall, 1,500 feet, inbound with Golf.
Papa Alpha Alpha, Parafield Tower, join final for runway 21 left, cleared visual approach, you're number 1.
Join final for 21 left, clear visual approach, Papa Alpha Alpha.
Wind 220 degrees, 12 knots. Maximum crosswind 10 knots. Cab okay. Temperature 21, QNH 102.
Uniform Sierra Lima, 21 right, clear touch and go.
Tower, no front seat off, go.
Touch good, Uniform Sierra
Brakes
Lima.
are off, undercarriages down, mixers rich, fuel pumps on, fuel selected to the fullest tank for landing, and hatches and harnesses are all secure.
Papa Alpha Alpha, runway 21 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, Papa Alpha Alpha.
Papa Alpha Alpha, confirm runway 21 left, clear to land.
Runway 21 left, clear to land, Papa Alpha Alpha.
Yankee Tango Echo, you're number
Right,
2
500
to
feet.
a
We're coming in.
Tomahawk joining final
Ready.
from the dam wall. They'll be about your 11:30 at the
Put a
moment.
slide down here. Stage left out.
Uniform Sierra
get
Lima,
on
when
stage.
ready, make a left turn to join change of runway 21 left.
To join runway 21 left, Uniform Sierra Lima.
Uniform Juliet Papa, runway 21 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, Uniform Juliet Papa.
Alpha Tower, Diamond Star Yankee Tango uniform, Jammer 1500, receive Golf inbound.
Yankee Tango uniform, Parafield Tower, join 3 mile final for change of runway 21 right, maintain 1500.
Maintain 1500, join long final 421 right, Yankee Tango uniform.
Uniform Sierra Lima, downwind touch and go.
Uniform Sierra Lima, number 2, follow a diamond, turning base, correction turning final.
The Parafield ground, Tomahawk Papa Alpha Alphas and Alpha 3, request taxi to the eastern apron.
Power Alpha Alpha ground, get a taxi to the apron.
Taxi to the apron, Papa Alpha Alpha. So, there you go. Nicholas, that was fun, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah, nice work. We'll go have a look at that jet, eh? And apply the brake. Okay, we'll turn our avionics off first, so everything, all our radios go off. Good idea. That one's off, that one's off, that one's off. Nothing on there. And we just bring it up to 1200 RPM. But we just check our magnetos, make sure we didn't foul them on the way in. That's the idea. Alright, and then, it's filming, and then we just simply, pull the thing back, which starves the engine of fuel, and turns it off. Close the throttle, push light off, pull our keys out, and then now's the time to say goodbye to everybody, because we're going to turn the master switch off and they won't hear us anymore. So, hooray! Until next time.
Oh yeah. I'm sorry?
Really terrible aeroplane, I hate flying it.
Oh, I bet. I can see that. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's fantastic. Pretty cool, hey? That's like flying a bullet. That's a seat. Look at that. That seat means, imagine servicing a seat like that. Parachute family, get the seats there. So you can balance a plane, you can lift it entirely up.
You know, he weighs
Centre of gravity's over the wheels. It's pretty cool, hey?